One of the major geographical features of any country are its valleys, and India surely is blessed with some of the most spectacular valleys. In simple words, the low-lying land between two mountains, which often have a river flowing through it, is identified as a valley. India has enough number of some of the breathtaking valleys of the world. So today, in this video, let's catch the top 7 interesting and beautiful valleys of India. Nubra Valley. Nubra Valley is the northernmost part of Jammu and Kashmir. Situated about 150 kilometers from the Leh, it is also known as the Orchard of Ladakh. Surrounded by the snow-capped Himalayas, the Nubra Valley is famous for its picturesque and phenomenal beauty. Araku Valley. Araku Valley, situated in the heart of Andhra Pradesh, is undoubtedly a stunner. The valley is surrounded with a number of high mountains, lush green forest, and offers a pleasant climate. The Chaprai waterfalls and the Anantagiri hills in the Araku Valley is a must visit for every nature lover. Spiti Valley. Often known as the Cold Desert Mountain Valley, the Spiti in Himachal Pradesh is most certainly a paradise on earth. Placed in the high reaches of the Himalaya, it is home to endangered flora and fauna such as the snow leopard, Himalayan snowcocks, and many more. The Chandratal Lake, situated at 4300 meters in the lap of the Himalayas, is amongst the most popular things to see in the Spiti. This land of wanderlust is surely one of the best places on this planet. Gurez Valley. Gurez Valley, located in the high Himalayas of Jammu and Kashmir, is definitely one of the most beautiful places on earth. Gurez has a lot more to offer than one can ever imagine. The unbelievable scenery and rafting by the Kishanganga River undoubtedly add to its charm. The valley will certainly make someone lose track of time with its uncovered raw warmth and beauty. Zero Valley. Zero Valley is an entrancing holiday destination in northeast of India. The Zero Valley in Arunachal Pradesh is surely a perfect escape for those who are tired of living the monotonous life. The sprawling rice field, rolling green hills of Zero is perfect for every soul who travels far and wide to fulfill their travelling quests. Yamthang Valley. Situated in North Sikkim, Yamthang Valley is most certainly another paradise on earth. The presence of spectacular mountains, a serene river, and zillion flowers makes it a must-visit place for every traveler. The tranquility of this charming valley makes it a soul seeker's paradise. Silent Valley. Situated in Kerala, the Silent Valley is home to a rich biodiversity that includes a tropical and subtropical forest. Silent Valley is one of India's smallest yet richest national park. The extreme scenic beauty entices innumerable nature lovers who specially travel far and wide to soak their souls in the place's ethereal natural splendor. That's it for the day. The serene and tranquil environments not only calm our soul but also make our inner soul happy. So why wait? Take a look at the video, block your dates and soak yourself in these natural beauty. GeoEasy is a new channel. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. Drop in your feedbacks in the comment section. Share as much as you can. Want us to make videos on certain specific topics? Just put it down in the comment section. We will surely have a look at it.